Hello, I'm Hulk.
I'm Iron Man.
I'm Batman.
Where's Scarecrow? Where is he? If you're lying, I'll break the other one. Talk, or I'll crush every bone in your body. Where is he? Swear to me!
I'm vengeance.
Swear to me!
No.
Nani?
What the hell?
Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here. Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here.
Huh?
Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here. Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog way back here. I always wanted to do that.
Hello, I'm Spider-Man.
Here we go!
Are you kidding me with this? By the way... Way to use your free time constructively. You didn't get to the bank on time today? Didn't your mother teach you it's not nice to steal? Unless your mother put you up to this. Unless your mother put you up to this. I get the feeling that money doesn't belong to you.
Nani?
I hate to break it to you, but that money's marked. So you can't spend it. Hey, that's from my bank. Any chance you'll just... I don't know, drop your weapons and step away from the money? You guys know that crime never pays.
Oh no!
What?
I'm Iron Man.
Maximum pulse.
يا أهلا وسهلا وميت مرحبا
1 second. Official consulting hours are between 8 and 5 every other Thursday. Hostile alien army came charging through a hole in space. We're standing 300 feet below it. You have reached the life model decoy of Tony Stark. Please leave a message.
What the hell?
I'm sorry, did I just mishear you or did you agree? I'm doing what has to be done.
Try again.
See what I'm working on?
No. That's how I know it's bad.
I'm doing what has to be done.
Welcome and enjoy this game.
Welcome.
Damn, boy.
Aye!
Here we go! How you like me now?
Hello, I'm back.
Hi, I'm Sonic.
Loki, king of Asgard. Final justice.
Hunger is growing.
Let's go! You got cops and superheroes beating your butt.
What the dog doing? Hit this spot with everything you have.
Nice.
Form up around me.
Yoink!
Pulse reactors take a minute to charge, okay?
Nice.
Hell yeah! Okay, let's go.
I'm just chilling.
Almost charged. You might want to stand back. Pulse cannon's almost ready.
What the hell?
Okay, let's go.
Final justice. Not on my watch.
Ready for any fight.
some respect. That's far enough.
No, 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 no. Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Sorry, soldier. I need backup! I'll take this.
What the dog do?
Let's finish this.
Not good.
Damn, boy.
Victory is ours.
Yoink!
All right, too slow.
That was easy.
No, 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 no.
I never surrender. Shield flash.
Yoink!
Charging star. Final justice!
No.
Welcome and enjoy your stay.
I brought s'mores fixins for after.
Takes a licking and keeps on.
Don't worry, Batman.
To infinity and beyond!
Hello, I'm Spider-Man.
I'm from another dimension.
Fastest man alive, ready to go. Hello there.
I can do more than make money and take me.
Hi, I'm Sonic.
Greetings! I must say no.
Hi, I'm Sonic.
Loki, king of Asgard.
Hi, I'm Superman.
Where we do our thing.
Hell yeah!
A good place for some action.
Yoink!
We have to stick together. Stick together. I can only do it so often, okay? Hang on, the cool stuff takes time. I'll be ready soon, I swear. Almost.
Yoink!
It's not easy making that much webbing.
Yoink! Nice.
All right, time to get my web on.
Stop hurting people, Brainiac.
Let's go!
He wasn't wrong about everything.
Hold up. Here we go!
Oh, hell no!
What the hell? Oh my god!
You calling me soft?
Let's try all that again.
The strong protect the weak.
Okay.
Yoink!
Faster than a speeding bullet, remember?
Stop this vehicle at once!
Yoink!
Warriors from the deepest seas. Last has spoken, and I am in her service. I fight for it every day.
Yahoo!
Hell yeah!
Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait.
One cannot keep an empire when there is chaos at home.
Let's go! Boy.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Nice.
Here we go! Hold up. Wait a minute. I need a revival now!
I'll be sure to visit your grave!
boy.
Super Kamehameha! What?
Okay.
Over here!
Here we go!
Hell yeah!
Yoink!
Hi, I'm Sky.
Okay.
Damn, boy.
You can do it!
Here we go!
Okay. Hell yeah!
Nice.
Damn, boy.
Yoink! 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 Yoink!
Oh, hell no! Aye! Hold up. Wait a minute. Just ain't right. No.
Someone needs healing. These Wakandans should consider praying to a different god. I happen to be free.
Yoink!
Hell yeah!
You dare sully the throne of Loki, king of Asgard?
Oh, hell no!
Okay.
I am your king.
That was easy.
Ah, the so-called perfect human. I have wrecked the spider nest. Asgard will be mine.
Hell yeah!
If it takes an egomaniac mortal destroying timelines to make that happen, so be it. Until the trick is played on them. Perhaps we should just ask them to leave.
Here we go! That was easy!
A victory quintet! Then allow me to sing you back to her, with your tail between your legs.
Watch out! You're gonna crash!
Nice.
Hell yeah!
A mighty boost!
Nice.
You're welcome to try. Bravo, Hela. We still have much to do.
Welcome and enjoy your stay.
Hello there.
Damn, boy.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Welcome.
Here we go!
Yahoo!
Let's go. Nice.
Here we go. Bingo. Ho 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 ho. Yoink.
Nice.
Mamma mia.
Nope. Okay.
Wow, 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 yeah.
Damn, boy.
You can do it.
Nope.
Damn, boy.
No.
Fastest man alive, ready to go. Fastest man alive, ready to go.
Bye, have a great time.
Nope.
Speed force, I can nearly touch it. The speed force flows. Damn, boy.
No. Hold up.
Al, I think you should charge your ring or something.
Nice.
Yeah, baby. Al, go charge your ring or something.
Hell yeah.
And I'll scout him out too. I got your back, Hal.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Okay.
I got your back, Hal, and the flanks, and I'll scout him out too.
Nope.
Let's try all that again.
What? Got your back, Hal. Got your back, Hal. So, Mr. Jordan, are you ready to right some wrongs? Damn, boy. So, Mr. Jordan, are you ready to right some wrongs?
Hell yeah. Hold up. Okay.
Why, Hal?
Nice.
I trusted you.
Hell yeah.
Here we go!
I'm the one that makes all this possible. I manage your entire life so you can do this.
Okay.
And it's so boring. So boring. But I can do more than make money and take meetings.
Yoink.
Nice.
Damn, boy.
We can do more. Hank, Ant-Man is against it. And you?
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Okay.
I want to help. I want to do more.
Oh, hell no! Okay.
Or else you will be beat up.
Nice. Nice.
Hell yeah!
Damn, boy. Here we go!
We're here. Sorry we're late.
Nice.
That was easy.
I had to tear Hank away from his lab. I can't believe you don't think this is cool.
Nice.
Damn, boy.
You can do it!
Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay. Hell yeah!
No, not stupid Ultron, the Avengers!
That was easy.
Nice.
We're superheroes now! On a superhero team! Bye-bye! I wonder where Thor slept before now.
Yoink!
Does he even sleep?
That was easy.
Yeah, baby!
The Hulk probably slept wherever he wanted to. I'm moving into the mansion. Now might be a good time for some kind of something.
Nice.
No, well, it's complicated.
Damn, boy.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Nope. Nope.
As much like the 40s except for the talking computer.
Yoink!
Hell yeah!
Iron Man tried to make it feel as much like the 40s as he could.